So, today's the day where it finally arrived. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Junius. I just finished my second year of med school in New Zealand, and during third year, you need a stethoscope and actually a flashlight too, so I had to go and buy those things, and yeah, very excited to unbox this. I got the Littmann Classic III in champagne and black, so let's see it. So this is the stethoscope. I got my name engraved on it. It actually came with a pin light, so the pin light that I bought was a bit redundant, but you can never go wrong with too many pin lights. So yeah, a stethoscope, Littmann Classic III in champagne and black. I already feel one step closer to becoming a doctor. Boys, we've made it. We've made it. I guess I should try to use it. Yeah. Hopefully you found this video somewhat entertaining. I don't know what value you're going to get out of this. Littmann, if you're out there, please sponsor me. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.